Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable the system lock on your COOCAA CNTF2NZ TV. To do that, we have to press the menu button in the top left corner of our D-pad on the remote control. This will lead us to the settings menu. Here, use right arrow key to navigate to the lock menu, and then use down arrow key to go to system lock option. Now, in order to turn it on, we have to press OK button and then enter the password. So if you didn't previously reset your password, then you're gonna have to either enter 4 zeros or 1 2 3 4. Now 1 2 3 4 works for me. Now probably 4 zeros will work too as a default password. And after entering this password, just click OK to enable system lock. Now, if you want to reset the password to use the manual one, go to the set password option using down arrow key, press OK, then enter old password first, which can be both 1 2 3 4 or 4 zeros, and then enter the new password in the following fields twice to confirm. And after that, your password will be reset and the system lock will still be active. If you want to disable it, press up arrow key to go back to system lock option and click OK button to disable this feature. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.